Hello guys, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Smart Home. In this video, I'll show you how you can reset S500 Kaadas door lock to factory setting. In case of forgetting master pin code, you can reset this device, or let's say this smart door lock to factory setting. How? By removing the battery cover, here you can see the reset button. By pressing the reset button twice, the door lock will be reset to factory setting.
Restoring. Wait a moment. Restored to factory settings. Pin code is too simple. Please modify master pin code as soon as possible.
Door lock is reset as itself said it. The first step is changing the master pin code. The master pin code after resetting the door lock is 129. In order to change it, a star button must be pressed twice. Master pin code must be entered, which is 129. Then hash button must be pressed.
Master mode. Change master pin code. Then press the pound key. To return to the previous menu, press the star key.
The lock itself has voice guide.
Please enter again. Setup succeeded. For user settings, press 1. For system settings, press 2. Records query, press 3. For function extension, press 4. For Bluetooth settings, press 5. To return to the previous menu, press the star key.
As you can see,
User pin code, press
using this device is very simple as it has voice guide.
2. To set up, please 2-digit user number. Then press pound key. To return to the previous menu, please enter user pin code. Pin code is too simple. Please enter again. Please enter user pin code. Then press pound key. Please enter again. Enrollment succeeded. Please 2-digit user number. Then press pound key. To return to the previous menu, press the star key. To set up user pin code for user settings, press 1. For exit master mode.
I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any question, do not hesitate to leave comments. Bye bye.